Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to set downloaded wallpaper on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. Then from here you can scroll down to wallpaper. This is the wallpaper, so just move on wallpaper. After having moved on wallpaper on the done, you can see this is the profile, so just click on profile. Then here again you have to move on wallpaper, so click on wallpaper. And here you can see this is the downloaded wallpaper. Okay, this all are the downloaded wallpapers, so you can select any wallpaper that you are comfortable. I select this wallpaper. Then here is the apply option, just click on apply option. After that you can see the three options, right? The first option is the lock screen, and the second option is the home screen, and the third the for the both lock and home screen. So if you want to set for the home screen, just click on home screen and this wallpaper will be set successfully on your home screen. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.